Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute. January the 2nd, 2026. KSE-100 index continues to roar higher, now cementing a new year narrative built around volume and momentum. Let's take a closer look. All right, so this is where we are. Another big 2679.44 point jump for the day. But more importantly, the market is now cementing its new year narrative that we've been talking about. First, the essentials. Big green candle closed near the top, firmly bullish. Price above all EMAs in bullish stack, firmly bullish. But this is where it gets interesting. Volume once again above average, which shows, again, stronger participation behind the move. This is a change, a flip in the narrative from the past weeks, indeed, a couple of months. RSI, very telling, 80-20, very strong, above its average. Could also say momentum is strong, but stretched. So this is the point where we can look for a pullback. We'll talk about that in a minute too. MACD, same story, positive spread widening, histogram increasing, momentum accelerating. ADX, 3111, trend strength is firm and strengthening. Now, the only thing is whether it goes higher or comes back for a pullback. So our verdict for the day is bull trend remains dominant and momentum is expanding. As long as price holds above the 10-day EMA, any dip is a buy the dip argument. On any dip, bias stays upward. So we wait for a dip, it comes back, stays above the moving average, we look for another bullish leg. So far, the new year has been very positive for the market. There's momentum, there's volume, there is participation. Let's see if a pullback comes now or we have further upside before it comes. Stay tuned.